Ngayon lang ba pre, ngayon mo lang na-realize? Kailan ko dati pa?
Ito na. Ano
Iba
pre?
to pre, o diretso lang?
Wag pre. Hindi pa natin alam eh. Ano to Ray? Bali pumasok sila dito, gagawa sila ng sariling storya, ganun?
Parang pareho silang authors na gusto nila magka-publish na book. Pero ano pa na sila pareho, parang indie.
Top repeatedly pre.
You! What are you doing here?
Ipapa-discover pa lang. Excuse me, dude. Put the towel underneath you.
Wait,
Yeah.
what? What are you doing in my story? Something bad is going on here. Yeah, like you're ruining my chance to get published. No, listen to me.
Ano ba bawal sila mag-exit?
What was that? Watch where you point those things.
Yennefer versus
There is
Triss pala to
something
pre.
this publisher is not telling us. All I can see is that they have given me exactly what I signed up for.
Sino love
You
interest
don't
mo, Rai?
understand. We need
Oh
to get out of here.
shit.
Not
The
we.
Winter.
Tatlo.
You. I need to get published.
Pareho.
Please
Yung
leave my
tatlo.
story.
Yung ending na
That
yun.
is exactly
Ah.
what I
Gusto
want
ko sana
to do,
dun.
okay?
Gusto ko sana i-romance sa Witcher pre yung ano eh. Nasaan ka na ba Ray?
Spoilers.
Tapos ka naman na yung main
pre.
story.
And take that
Spoilers.
glitch
Eh, yung
thingy
DLC.
thing, whatever it is, with you.
Yung DLC na, yung Queen.
Yes.
Blood
And
and
neither
Wine.
you
Yung
or
gusto ko
that
i-romance
belong
pre,
to
si
me.
Ana Henrietta. Di pwede.
Spoilers, pre. Ako si Siri ni Romance ko eh.
I think this is my
Ikaw may
story.
pera.
What the hell is going on?
Stepdaughter.
Level 3.
Yep. This is definitely my story.
Hindi tayo nakikinig pre.
Ito na yun. Ito pa yun. Pre, yung nasa ko
Sa Mass Effect.
kanina eh. Uy, Ano ba controller dito, pre? Walang aiming, gaming.
What kind of a
Medyo meron.
crazy story have you
Pero
written?
Right, no
minor lang.
spoilers.
I don't
Para
want to be
mahirap.
here
No
either,
spoilers,
okay? I
no
just want to
spoilers.
get out. And how do we do that?
Relax.
How do we do that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But something tells me we need to find that glitch. Are you sure? No.
Parang sa Bleach yun, pre, ano?
Okay.
6.
Uy, eto na. Ay, gogi, split screen, pre. Hindi kanya-kanyang screen.
It takes 2.
Okay din naman.
May
Okay
double.
din naman. Hindi ba mahulog? Oh, wall damage check. Meron. Settings muna, pre. Settings muna, pre. Ikaw.
Sige, sige. Camera shake.
Uy, FSR 3.1 pala ito eh.
Ako naka-default. Ano babaguhin?
Okay. Relax.
120 FPS lang.
Controller ka ba, pre?
Try ko lang. Pre, parang ano, yung HDR, sa bagay kasi pangit yata yung monitor yun. Ito yung pinaka-basic na 1440. Parang walang difference naman, pre. Parang sakit sa ulo
HD.
lang
Ako-
yung ano. Sakit sa ulo
Hindi
lang
ko
yung
man
HDR.
HDR eh.
Hindi ko na lang in HDR sa akin eh. Hinap ko na lang.
Testing ko nga ito HDR.
Control Windows B. Or Windows Alt B na.
87 FPS.
Uy, may
So you
touch
have
screen.
no clue where that glitch might be. All I know is that we're in my story. You
Relax.
had to fall into my simulation,
Tension.
didn't you?
65
Let's just focus on
FPS.
getting out of here. Ugh.
Kontra ko yung texture.
Forma, pre.
Ay, gogi, pre. GG na.
Nice one. 2?
May dash nga pala. Sorry.
Meron ang wall.
Gogi, pre. Parang ano to.
Oh!
Star Wars.
Yung
Shadow Warrior.
Yung ninja na character, tapos one hit lang yung mga kalaban, tapos ikaw rin.
Ito yung Ghost Runner. Ghost Runner.
Oo, yun yata. Kaya lang pre, ang lakas ng sounds.
Saan din actually.
11
11 yung master volume. What the
Relax.
fuck?
Oo nga no, gagi. 9 lang, 9. Pre, naka-FSR na to, pre. Ano lang kaya? 60 FPS lang kaya. FSR na.
Yung ultra rin sa ano yun.
Let's check out
Fine.
that console.
Ah, pre, ito na. Last. Pwede ba, ano? Up, down yung screen natin?
Hindi
Ah,
pa.
depende ata sa ano, pre. Mag-iiba yun eh, pwede mag-iba.
Depende. Oo.
Ah,
Dynamic yan.
depende sa, ano, stage. Sige, pre.
Pero malaki payoff ng split screen na yan.
Ah, sige. Ito sa ano? Up, down, pre. Alam, preference. Ano na? Ano ba yun? Ah, dito, pre. Gitna.
Saan ka Xbox yung controls mo?
Okay.
Xbox Flip.
Can you explain the situation, please? We're freedom
Hindi ko
fighters,
ma-memorize
reclaiming
kung
our
ano
home
yung
from galactic
RP tsaka
invaders.
RP.
No, not this
Lagi ko
story.
nakakalimutan.
In the real world, what?
Ako sa wala daw kaso,
I wanted
ano
to
pa rin?
leave, but they wouldn't let me.
Oh my-
Are you
Hindi
sure
ko
this
talaga
isn't just some sort of
ma-memorize kung ano
misunderstanding?
RP.
Look,
Kasi-
I was fighting them when I fell
Kasi
into
may
the
X yung ano eh,
simulation.
Xbox, diba?
There was a
X tsaka sa PlayStation tsaka sa ano.
We've got company. Oh crap!
Gabi, wala ko.
May DJ, pre.
Oh!
Oo, nasa ano yun. Grabe.
Whoa!
Oh!
Look out!
Yung forma.
Let's move.
Kaya naka-ultra wide ako, lead siguro nito.
Just keep it together.
Sa mga
Ah,
favorite
double
ng
na.
modern studios namin yung Halo ngayon. And grabe naman plasticity nito.
With tutorial, pre. Hindi naman kailangan mag-dash.
Wala.
Climb, pre. Oh, saan tayo?
Whoa,
Ganun.
close one.
That's kinda hella loose. Dito ba? Tapos.
Don't look down.
And
Yung Assassin's Creed?
that's it up.
It's actually kind of a view.
2, 3.
Automatic, pre. Rip. Hindi tayo yung mag-balance.
Easy mode on.
Ang ganda nito ah.
Ano ito, pre?
Ito yung character ko pre.
Elusive character ko, pre.
We're still
Hindi,
searching
yeah.
for the glitch, right?
Hindi ay
What
extend.
else do you think we're
Uy,
doing?
alam ko yung RP
Getting
bigla.
Country Pumpkin.
Pindot ko ng
Insane.
tama.
Both? You tell me. No. The glitch has to be around here somewhere. It has to.
Oh shit.
RT kasi trigger. Trigger. Hindi na lang alalanin kapag case.
Eto na
Ay,
nga
it's
yun,
going
pre.
down.
Teamwork na nga. Eto na nga yun.
Are you alright? I'm fine.
You're right!
Nice one, pre.
Lagi gumagalaw pa rin. Meron bang button dyan pre?
Time mo yata ako, pre.
Hindi pa tayo.
Clear obscure, pre. May ganyan din sa clear obscure, eh. Tali-tali.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Wala talaga ng mga wall.
Let's
Mga teammate.
work on your angle.
So,
Go up like this.
how does this work?
Here.
Do you know what
Are you
happens
impressed
next in
with
the story? Sort of. Come again.
Ano na?
Writing it and
Hindi ka ba
experiencing
lagcard?
it is a totally different
Parang wala naman
ballgame.
no?
Let's hope there's a plan to safely separate us and return me back to my
Let's ako
story.
lang wala, pre.
I wouldn't bet on it. Just because you blew your
Ang
shot to
goofy
get
ng
published
climbing
doesn't mean
animation.
that I have to
Hindi
blow
gumagalaw
mine.
yung ano pre, yung
No,
chest.
I think they're up
Saka
to
yung
something fishy.
torso.
We just don't know what.
Rip. Sa chest agad nakatingin, ah.
Grabe naman yan.
Grabe naman, pre.
Ito nga bumaba dito.
Ay, gago.
Kontra pre, kontra.
Rayman Legends na pre.
Pre.
Oh, there's a ship here. Yeah, we can hijack it.
Better graphics pre na Rayman Legends.
Or,
Di ba?
Ba, hindi pa magawa ng sarili. Dalawa naman yung
ayun.
braso.
Uy pre, hindi na lock screen. Ano? Hindi na dual screen pre.
So close.
Kailangan ni ano pre sa gitna. Any day now.
Gagi. Pre, hindi ako nakatingin doon sa screen.
Holy.
Yan, uy, porno. Magaging mo kang Lego, pre. Tinan mo yung sa taas, oh. Mukhang Lego.
Legolas.
Oh, shit.
So, NT pre, Legolas. Ay,
Dodge lang.
Uy, puta, na-drop. Natapos pala.
Okay, bilis mo, pre.
Tapos. Ah,
Up, down, up, down. Down ba, pre? Pababa.
ayan, tama, pre. Easy pre, mala GTA lang yung swimming. Easy.
Install na, dali. Walang oxygen. Kunyari hinihingal, pre, pag wala namang oxygen bar.
fiction naman daw. Yeah, left side.
Pre, sana pre. Oh.
Keep cool as a camel. That's not an actual saying.
Wow.
Ganda pre, gotik. Grabe yung graphics pre, tsaka yung lugar.
Can you handle a gun
Yes.
turret? Is that a common question?
Nasa ano kayo,
to
di ba?
ask people?
Star Wars
Or any
world.
weapons for that
Oh,
matter?
yep.
I had a slingshot when I was a kid.
May baril pa dito.
All
Parang
right.
yung Rogue One era pre. Yung nakikita ko eh.
Diba, hindi pwede.
Ay, bawal agad.
That's our ship. Get it. What?
Rip, hindi na split pre. Fiction na lang. Empty.
And D. Fake name.
Ayun na pre, split fiction na lang. Script.
Uy!
Uy, grabe naman. Magkaiba yung ano. Yung lugar pre. Oh shit, gunner ako pre. Oh shit. Ano ba yung mag-aim? Putik niya.
Dali lang
Yo,
yun.
controller aim.
Why are we flying towards the storm? We don't have a choice. I wrote it this way.
Ay, ang bagal.
Just split.
Bagal na naman.
I got one.
Bagal. Bagal. Okay lang, parang kunyari mabigat pre. Hirap dito yun.
I got one.
May mga baril ba sa atin?
Oo, meron. Pre, hindi ka natin sa screen ko pre. Split fiction.
I'll put you back right there. Sure.
I did not sign up for this.
No, sign up for this.
Over there. The glitch. Come on.
Ba yung mga character ko? Uy, tiny tier na world pre.
What the?
Balik.
Renzo, tiny tier na world pre. Right.
Oh my, at least better graphics.
Tapos yung barko sa Dragon Nest. Ganda ng graphics.
Kailan pala yan yung pre?
Grabe.
Borderlands 4. Hindi ano to pre, Witcher sa ano,
Oo nga,
Reenacting
no.
your story again?
Rivington.
Yeah, but it's not the same one
Stalin's-
as earlier.
Stalingrad ba yun?
What the hell is going on? I don't know.
Grabe.
But you wrote this, didn't you?
Hanggang anong
I
oras
can't
kayo
keep
lalaro?
track of all my ideas.
24
All
hours
your
break.
ideas? We only submitted
Legit.
one.
24 hours
Okay,
na
hanggang
talaga.
sa inantok.
What do we do?
Ganda
Do we
gagi.
fight
pre.
them?
Iba niya armor.
Worth it yung bili, pre.
Run!
Nice.
Definitely run!
Nice one, hindi na split, pre.
Knights are corny! Well, like your deadly storm with a masterpiece!
Sabog lang. Ganda, pre, gagi.
Pawatay pre. Ay, gagi pa ito pawatay.
So, in this story, incoming!
Hindi, gagi, hindi automatic.
Ang ganda.
You savages!
This is like old school games.
Watch out!
Temple Run
Brace yourself!
for $60.
Pre, kala ko old school RuneScape eh.
Haters.
That
Uy!
game?
Oh, natumakan ako.
What?
Tigan ko na mga Altepor, pre. Old school, ano? Haters, pre.
Haters. Oh!
Oh, SRS. Ay,
respawn.
gagi.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ay, ang weird ng ano.
Gagi, balik sa simula, pre.
I think your shirt's getting too small for you, but... Yeah. Set.
Akala ko pa rin ano, inverted pa rin. Dapat pilot.
Hindi.
Hindi, yung kanina. Di ba nag-pilot ako kanina? Inverted pa rin.
Inverted ba kanina? Sa akin hindi, yung sa gano'n.
Medyo.
This is crazy. You're crazy. Well, I didn't submit this
Parang ano
story
to, ah.
for a reason.
Beacon.
But it exists because of you. You wrote
Kaya nga,
it.
pre, kung ano
Don't forget who created this mess when you crashed into my simulation.
Nararamdaman ko yung
Pre.
delay na.
Ay, nako.
You want me to clean this up? Are you still gonna use it? I can put it back.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh!
Speech therapy. Is speech therapy coming today? Okay. Awesome.
Pre, yung ulo ng karakter ko, pre.
Ano ba to? What is this? Kapatong?
How's your back been feeling? You feeling okay now?
Lahat ng, pre, lahat ng laro, pre, nandito.
You've got to have faith when you
Spider-Man,
leap.
Assassin's
That's
Creed.
weird. Yeah, I expected it's just
Star
going to be
Wars.
temporary. It seems like a minor strain, but I know it hurts back then. Yeah.
Keep quiet. Trolls up ahead.
Yeah, she's still doing okay right now. I think just before I left for work, she had a virtual
Life
visit.
gives you lemons.
So I think she just talked about how her current medications are doing, but then I'm not sure how that went yet. I'll call her later.
Ay, teamwork yata tayo dito, pre. Tama.
Walang lemons dito. Pre, throw that shit. Pre. Ano naman?
Wait lang, pre.
Get signature.
Siyempre, go.
Tapos, okay na.
Talang.
Okay na.
Get
Ay, go.
signature.
All right,
Split na
let's
tayo,
go.
pre. Split
Ulit?
Fiction ang lugar na. Grabe, pre, hindi delay, pre, no?
Sobrang smart niya eh. Ako kung sino.
Ay, gog!
Buhat-buhat ng troll.
Oo nga,
Maybe see you next week Monday. Great job, stretchers. That's really good.
Oh!
Hindi
Ano na?
What is
nila
wrong with these
bata
guys?
sobra.
Thundering gets them excited.
Ano pa rin, bubaba ko yung volume. Tataas pa rin.
Yeah, let's see Nico back next week Monday again. I won't have a visit on him for Friday, but I'll see him back on Monday. To the same time at 1:30. Wednesday, yes sir. See you the next week, right? Yeah. Okay, awesome. No problem. Net.
Yung anisotropic filtering, di ba pre, sa processor yan?
Isotropic? Sa GPU ata yun, pre.
GPU ba yan? Hindi, processor yata yan, pre. Legit. Sige, times 8 ko.
Ata. Yung ba yung hanggang times 16?
Ang bigat ng native na, FSR. Quality ko na.
Tawagan ko lang si Glay sa vlog. Wait lang.
Sige.
BRB ako.
Parang ano to, pre? Jack and the Beanstalk.
But how
Ano
are we
yan?
supposed to
Ano
reach
ba yung movie
it?
na yun, pre? Jack the Giant Slayer.
Si Pitas. Warm body.
Pre.
Oh shit!
Pre, tayo!
Ay, akit. Ganda na. Lalo na pag
Akyat, pre.
tatalon agad na. Lilipat agad tayo pre, kaliwa.
Pre, kanan.
Ha?
Oh my God, bilis naman na ito.
Kanan ano?
Magda-dash up siguro. Dash up, pre. Bumalik.
Ay! Gagi ako pala yung na-deads.
That's awful.
Ay, go!
Gagi, grabe naman itong mga troll na to.
Nice one, pre. Nice carry, pre. Thanks.
Oh! Fuck.